In this video, we will see how to fix error entry point not found on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first and initial workaround is open control panel in your system. And here under available control panel items, scroll down and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Here from the left side of menu, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Temporarily disable your antivirus program. If you have installed any third-party antivirus, then open it and temporarily disable it. Here under private network, turn off Windows Defender Firewall, as well as public network, turn off Windows Defender Firewall. Once your work is finished, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall again. Thereafter, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Choose yes if pop-up window will appear, and here execute these 3 DISM tool one by one in command prompt windows. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these 3 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and thereafter execute the command sfc scan now, sfc/scan now, and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and cause for error and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open settings, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here in settings, from the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. From the right side, open Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and click on the link protection history, and here click on filters and choose quarantine items. Here if you find any DLL related file, then simply right click on it and choose restore. Restore recently deleted. If you detect the DLL files here, restore quickly. Simply right click on it and choose restore. Restore your DLL files. If you have chosen it to quarantine, under quarantine items, under protection history, restore this. Hopefully your error will be resolved. That's all.